And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 169. Let me show the symbol shifter tool. You'll find out where the symbol sprayer tool is. You can also double click on it to open the menu, and then you will find these small icons right here to switch. At first we need the sprayer tool and the symbols menu. I pick a symbol here with a left click, and if you can't find that window, go to window, click on symbols. You have to scroll a little bit down to find it. So we use the magnifying glass, and then I simply left click and hold on the canvas with the sprayer tool. And now I switch to the shifter tool. And if I left click drag, we can reposition these magnifying glasses now as a group. You can do that in any direction. If you want to reposition the entire object, so all of these magnifying glasses, you can simply hold Control and then left click drag. But if you release Control, you're going to get the shifter tool back, and then you can basically push these individual magnifying glasses into any direction here on the canvas. If you're wondering what about the menu, there is not much to adjust. It's simply for the intensity here. So you can adjust these two values and then the overall size with the diameter. I've shown you that in the last video. I hope this one was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.